Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learnings. In this video we will see a logical function known as if. Now what is if? Now what if does? So there are a lot of logical functions in an Excel which we can use, and it is really very useful when you play around with a lot of data, and when you have a lot of data into your Excel file and you need to build some logic to get some value out of it. So let's get started with it. Now what is if? What does if formula do? Okay, so the if formula allow us to build a logic between a value and an build a value, I mean between a value and what we expect. So it's like now if I want something, like if I want that if a particular cell is having 12, so what I want, it should be it should show me as correct, or it should give me as incorrect. So now how to apply this logic? So we can go ahead and use if formula to apply this particular logic. So if in a particular cell I want that if this cell is equal to 12, then it should give me a value as correct, or it should give me as incorrect. So how to use that formula? So let's see. So what I have to do is I have to just type equals to. Okay, I've typed equal to. I need to type if. You can see this. Check whether a condition is met and return one value if true and another value is false. You can get the description out here. So just press tab. So logical test. Now what I want, what logic I need to apply. So what I want is A1. So this cell has been selected, A1. So now A1, if A1 is equal to 12, okay, what I want is if A1 is equals to 12, then value if true. So it should, what I want, if it's equal to 12, then I want this to be shown as correct, else it should give me as incorrect. Okay, so this is what my logic is, a very simple logic. Okay, what I've done is if this cell A1 is equals to 12, so it should give me as correct, or else it should give me as incorrect. So now this is giving me as correct. Why? Because A1 is equals to 12. So what if I say A1 is equals to 25? You can see that now it is giving me as incorrect, right? Why it's giving me incorrect? Because my formula says, my logic says, if this cell is equal to 12, then it should be correct, or else it should be incorrect. So now if I enter any value apart from 12, it will give me incorrect. Okay, why? Because I have used equal to sign out. What if I use if I say if I say is less than 12, so it should give me correct or incorrect. So now 13, now this value has 13. Now my formula has changed. If A1 is less than 12, it should be correct or it should be incorrect. So my value here is 13, so it's giving me incorrect. What if my value changes to 10? So this will give me correct. Why it's giving me correct? Because my value is less than 12 in this particular cell, so it's giving me as correct. So this is a logic that we need to apply to get our answers, or to get a value as true. So if I say if A1 is greater than 12, so it should be correct or it should be incorrect. So now A1 is having value as 10. So A1 is greater than 12? No, it is not greater than 12. So it is giving me as incorrect. Now what if I enter this here 15, 15? Now it's giving me as correct. Why it is giving me as correct? Because this value is greater than what we have applied, and what logic we have applied. So this is giving me as correct or incorrect. So there are many things you can go ahead and practice this. This is very easy and this is very simple. If you apply a correct logic to it, you will get the result whatever you expect. Alright, so hope you like this video. Please comment below. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.